So on number 6 we have Nam Joo Hyuk and Lee Sung Kyung. These two actors paired together in a hit Korean drama Weightlifting Fairy Kim Book Jo, and this was their they met each other, and this drama they begin feelings to each other, and then their real dating began that time. So both became the real couple after acting in this famous drama, and their real couple become a real couple, and their love begins. And the relationship begins officially real in 2016, and both was in love to each other. But suddenly the news went viral that both have been break up and ended the relationship with each other. And after this viral news was confirmed to be real, and then Nam Jo Hyuk decided not to work with Lee Sung Kyung again ever. Fans got very upset with the news because they really love their chemistry in the drama, and all was also very happy to see them in real. So it was very heartbreaking news for their fans, and from then till now they both had not acted together with ever again. And number 5 we have Yoon Bin and Song Hye Kyo. They also met each other for the first time for the acting in the movie, which name was The World Within, and then their dating real life game also started for a real life, and they were in a serious relationship for a long time. Their real life romance became real life, and they was very real couple and also look very perfect couple for each other. But after a long term of a relationship, they also broke up their love. And then they parted ways. So after that the two never seen together in any movies or in any drama, and they will not act together ever again. On number 4 we have Bae Suzy and Lee Dong Wook. They met each other at one event and shared some talks, and their friendship began, and too soon they started their dating life and began in a relationship. And in this relationship the Bae Suzy was very seriously in love with the Lee Dong Wook. She was seriously in love with him. They were seen at many places celebrating their dates, relationship, having lunch together, dinner together, and also seen many places, and photo of them together off screen went viral those days. And this was the one photo which went viral, having a dinner or a lunch together. Once their photo was from dinner dates went viral on internet, and this was really viral in those days. But suddenly, Lee Dong Wook break up their relationship, which was unwanted breakup from Bae Suzy's side. And after that, she was really hurt and broken, and decided that they will never act again in any movies or in any drama, and she will never seen with him in any movie or in any drama, because she was very hurt from inside, because she don't want the breakup at that time. But Lee Dong Wook don't want to really continue his relationship with her. So this was the story that they will never act again. On number 3 we have Ahn Jae Yoon and Kyu Hye Sun. They acted in the Korean drama Blood, which was hit drama, and thus real life couple started the feelings for each other for real, and their relationship began, and soon they got married to each other. But soon Hye Jae-yoon broke his marriage with Kyu Hye-sun, and their relationship got changed with time. And also their issue were posted by themselves was on their Instagram accounts, and the main reason was that Kyu Hye-sun said that Hye Jae-yoon having the affair with his co-actress, and also many times he is with other girls, not responding her messages and calls, and always ignoring her and acting rude and cold to her. And after their relationship was ended with some nasty fights, Kyu Hye-sun always insulted Hye Jae-yoon publicly. For all this reason, they both will never seen together in any drama or any movie, and Hye Jae-yoon said that he will never work with her again. On number 2, we have Bae Suzy and Lee Min Ho. They had their relationship for 2.5 years, and Lee Min Ho was very serious in this relationship, and Suzy was also, and they are known to be perfect couple for each other. And news was also out that these days this both couple are going to marry soon with each other, and fans was very happy to hear this news. But suddenly after that, the Suzy dumped Lee Min Ho and ended their relationship. Lee Min, who was badly heartbroken and was very hurt, and then he decided not to work with Bae Suzy for this reason, and so he will never see these two couple to be act in any movie or in any drama. And on number one, we have Song Joong Ki and Song Hye Kyo. This was a very perfect couple and a happy couple and a very most viral couple. They began their relationship after the internationally hit drama Descendants of a Sun, and then their serious love relationship started, and both was very much in love with each other, and soon they got married to each other. All the fans was very happy to see this beautiful couple to be married, but suddenly in 2018 the news came that this both filing the divorce, and the fans were and everyone was very shocked to hear this news, and they both individually also confirmed the news. And then their entertainment agency said that the main reason to separate of this both couple that they both have different personalities and their thinking don't match with each other, and they finally got officially divorced and then decided not to work with each other